It's 2:49 a.m. My day's about to start. Well, it's actually about to end. But I go to sleep. I'm addressing some list issues that are happening in my group on Facebook. Trying to figure out some new colors. Watching YouTube. I'm doing nothing. Gotta finish this guy right here. Right there. We gotta. I gotta finish this, and I gotta send it out in the morning. And then I gotta go cash that check and everything. Okay, anyway, I gotta finish this up and get some sleep, so I'm gonna do that now. Happy July 9th. What did I do with my night? Look at it. Look at that. That is not nighttime. This is clearly a lot later than the original time that we were at. I don't even remember what time it was, but it was definitely not 6:03 a.m. This is unacceptable. I have to do stuff today. But in other news, I have got this edited. The first vlog. It's being rendered. Wait, no, render it right now. I just clicked on render. Look, we're rendering. Yay! It's gonna take forever, or 12 minutes, kind of. And look at this. I haven't even done this yet. I have to finish that. Like that's a required thing for me to finish by like now. And we're gonna finish that. Then we're gonna go to sleep. No, we're gonna stay up, and then we are going to ship all that. And this has to go with one of those, or a different box actually. But this has to go out. That's a no-brainer. That's a thing that has to happen. And I had to finish that thing too. 9 minutes left, and we haven't even gone through 3 minutes, so it's pretty good. Making good on time for today. I had an hour of footage. Cut it down to 15 minutes. That's incredible. That means I waste a lot of time. I did it. Oh man, I am so happy right now. I can lay down and fall asleep and get another, goals, guys. You gotta have them. Whew. Oh, I was gonna put the cap on right there without stopping the. It's something o'clock. I don't really know. 3? 4, 13, 14, 15? Yeah, it's 3 o'clock p.m. Last time you saw me, it was 7 a.m. and I said I had to be somewhere at 6 or 9 a.m. So I woke up at 9:40. Not bad for 2 hours sleep. So deposited the money. Went to go eat breakfast with my father and grandfather. We went over to Walmart, and interestingly enough, Walmart's filled with strange-looking people. I love it. It's pretty great. And that's my phone, way over there. Someone's texting me. So we went there. We got my grandfather a burner phone because he's going to be here for a month and he needs a cell phone, and he didn't have one for whatever reason. I don't know why. We then proceeded to get groceries. I got money. That was also cool. The box, no longer here, as you can see. I shipped all the packages, except for that one right there. That package didn't get shipped. My list for Facebook for my new product, that's going well. Collected some money for that. Going to get some money on Monday from PayPal. I went to the post office after I came back. That took until about 3 o'clock. And now it's 16 o'clock. I don't even know what that is. What? Okay, I just did the math. So 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 15, 16. It's 4 p.m. right now. Cool, I now know what time it is. I printed some more stuff right here for that package right there. So we're gonna have dinner with my grandfather, my mother, my father, and my sister. That's good. My mom and dad are divorced. They got separated when I was 6 or something, 5. And then they got divorced when I was maybe around 9 or 10. She hasn't really seen my grandfather in a long time. I don't really care either way if she goes to see them or not. But it's a big deal, I guess. I have to go poop. I'm gonna go poop. So we go through here. We take a nice little tour of my apartment. Cat litter right outside my door. Another cat litter right there. That's broken. Main feature. Okay. Spaceship. Best way to set. that you can buy right now. Oh, here's the box. And if you go look at my Instagram, you'll see that I have, I don't know, I posted. But I make my Instagram a poopstagram, as I call it. It doesn't mean exactly what you think it means. It means something slightly different. Still means poopstagram. I post a picture to Instagram every time I poop. I don't use this shower. I don't know why. Oh yeah, also a difference between a bathroom and a restroom is a restroom is a place that doesn't have a bathtub or a shower. So really, like, understand that. Please understand that. Water closet's also acceptable because as long as you got water, you can do that. You can call it a water closet. It's called a water closet architecturally, called water closet across the seas. Just call it, appropriately, because we're in America. Words mean things. Put the list on the floor. I'm gonna message them on the toilet. And then you don't get to join me for this one. You can look at my Instagram to see today's picture. Let's see, 405? Yeah, you can. Anyway, we're about to go do that. Alright. That's a little kind of close. Maybe my poop took a little too long. We're gonna take a shower here really quick. Now I'm gonna change my clothes. Probably just gonna put shampoo in my hair, and then we'll probably leave. I'm pretty sure I didn't leave anything in here, right? I don't need any of the clothes. Package that thing in here. Computer's still on. I don't think we have the time. All right, going over here. Show you my mom's bathroom. Pop into here. Focal length here. Pop down my towel over there onto that thing. Okay, so listen to this. That's the noise you get. You get that noise the whole time you're in here. Or you can... that noise. That's no noise. It's perfect. That's the noise I like. So we're going to close this door. Knock this little thingy down here. Pop into here. Here's my EDC, or my everyday carry. I think this is a little interesting, I guess, because I carry a lot on me. Got my Holbrook Oakleys, the Prism. I don't even know where that label is. There we go, kind of. Anyway, doesn't really matter. Prism, vestments, car keys. They broke apart. Regular keys, spinning top that goes on my keychain. I can't perform. A bunch of other keys that aren't really necessary. Nail clipper. Goes on my keychain, always falls off. Spyderco Ulis. Folding knife. California legal because all folding knives are legal to carry concealed in California. Or at least Los Angeles. No, I don't even know. Receipts. Carry those. Wallet. Carry that. Another wallet. Carry that. This I usually have. It's dead. I'm not carrying that today. This is my LG G Watch R. It's also dead. Not carrying that today. So then the breakdown goes key, change because I'm poor. I keep that with me. Wallet. Switching hands. Other wallet. Receipts. Leaving that today. Knife. Pocket. Sunglasses. Face. Phone too. Gotta carry my phone. Time's looking good. We're good on time. Going to Santa Monica. Gonna have dinner. I'm not gonna show you the trip because I believe that... I don't know. I just don't have a good excuse. Gotta put these mints in my pocket too because I can't forget those. That's a monster that I had today because of that lack of sleep I had. Doing alright. Don't know if I'll make it home, but I think that's the exciting part. It's midnight 59 a.m. I got back from dinner around, I'd say, 10? 9, 10? I think probably 9. And we did go get dinner. We went down to Santa Monica. We got the dinner. That was cool. Dinner was pretty okay. We went to Pupa de Beppo, Pupa de Poopoo, and ate there with my grandpa, my divorced parents, and my aunt and a few of her kids. But what did happen is that as you saw, my car didn't start. I said my car didn't start. It takes a lot of tries to make it turn over so it can actually start, and that is not great. I mean, car's supposed to start on your first try every try, and that is just kind of necessary. And right now, my mic isn't showing up. It's not okay. Strange. Whatever. We talked about it. I talked about it, I guess, and we're gonna go check it out, see if it's something simple, see if it's oil, or see if it's a battery. I don't think it's a battery. I don't think it's oil. I think it's the starter. I think the starter's gone out because I've had a starter go out on me before on my other car or my other Maxima, and that was just not a fun time. That Maxima was complete crap. But I have to go down to San Diego area to have lunch because my grandpa's in town. So my other aunt, wants to have like a barbecue or something or a party for him because he's here. So we're gonna go do that tomorrow. So tomorrow is going to be I guess today is going to be a real short vlog, a lot shorter. So yeah, there's that to deal with today. Is to see if I can sneak in a skateboard sesh, and then I said sesh, and then we have to. I think we're going to meet here at 9 to check if it is the battery or if it is or the oil. And if it's neither, then it must be a starter, and then I have to buy a starter. But hopefully my car will just keep starting like it has been, where I just keep turning it for like 16, 20 times, and then it just starts one of those. Nothing's activating. There's no fuel injecting anywhere. I can't hear any parts moving at all. I can't even hear anything being pushed through, like tubes-wise. When we left Santa Monica, it took me 16 tries to get that thing started. It was a lot more than when I left my house to Santa Monica, so it's a bit worrying that I won't be able to start my car the next time. So who knows? I have AAA, so it'll take care of itself. So tomorrow's goal is to get my car, or to look at my car, see if anything's up with it, see if the battery's good, see if the oil's good. And if those things are good, then that's kind of bad because I need a new starter, and new starters are expensive, and car troubles. Getting a car is not as cool as you think. Let's call it a night.